though. It's not gonna mess up the farm.
Brad, why'd you start the car? Why did you start it? I don't know.
Put it in there, old man.
Oh yeah, let's go. Let's go, I'm ready, let's go. Oh yeah, this is my jam going on.
Turn the car back on, I want to listen to radio.
That's too damn bad. Did you get scared?
Yeah, seriously, why did
Why'd you get out?
Because the car started moving. Oh, yeah.